Meaning of gigolo.
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 Gigolo. The word gigolo refers to a man who receives money or gifts in exchange for companionship or sexual favors from an older, wealthy woman. The term is often associated with a negative connotation and is seen as a form of exploitation or prostitution. Gigolos are typically portrayed as being attractive and charming, but lacking in genuine emotions or commitment. The practice of gigolo ing is controversial, as it involves a power dynamic that can be exploitative and unethical. Despite its negative reputation, some men may choose to become gigolos as a means of making a living or accessing certain social circles.